Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you top tricks on your headphones LG Tone Free Fit. So let's get started with open the application, and I recommend to install this application actually. And the first one, we have ambient sound, and more of that, we can customize it. We have two modes right here, listening mode and conversation. If you're just walking at the street, I recommend to use listening mode, and you can hear cars and more. And if you met some friend and you wanna speak with him, you can use this conversation mode, and it make your voice more clearly, and you don't need to remove your headphones. Next one, these headphones have bass boost, so I guess it's classic. I like it, I use it, so you can use it also. Next one, these headphones have dual connection, so you can connect two devices to your phone without disconnecting, without unpairing. And the last one, that these headphones have intelligent sorting, so I guess it's a cool also. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.